Chat. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I come from them. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm from them.
That's the hardest. That's the hardest sound. Oh my god, that's the hardest fucking soundboard sound I ever heard in my life. That's the hardest. Oh my god, how did he fucking think of that? That's the hardest shit I ever heard in my life. Cause you not from the hood if you change your batteries in your fucking fire detectors, nigga. Or your fire alarms. If you change your batteries in a fire alarm, you're not from the hood. You're suburban. Niggas that grow up in the hood never change their batteries. That's hard as